Hello guys and welcome back to Leah's Lifestyle, another coding practice. I may have failed you guys just a little bit. Yesterday I said that I was going to spend the time to find that coding thing that we were working on the last time, but I didn't. So we're going to scrounge through what I have saved for coding. Let's see here. Where's my coding? I know we've done the coding combat. I'm pretty sure about that. Pretty sure we've done coding combat. I'm going to open it up and just see what it looks like. Yeah, we did. And that was like, I think it was one of those things where it like had some and I was working on it, but let's see if it even has all the things saved from like when I played before. Block or simple text code for beginners. Real Python. We want real Python. Yeah, it doesn't look like it saved anything. So we could start over on this. But I'm almost positive I stopped for a reason doing the code combat. And then I think we did the Flexbox defense yesterday. And I'm pretty sure we've done the Flexbox Froggy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we played all the way through that as well. That's my if I didn't wake up alarm. I think we've done Code Monkey. Let me look. This might be the one actually. Sorry, I don't want that music. Come on. Hi, Athena Kiddo. How are you doing? Oh, this is one of the ones that cost money. Okay, we're not doing that one yet because it costs money. Explore activities. Let's see, what is this? Hour of code. I don't think this is. Let's just see. We'll do grade 9 and plus. Just see what pulls up. It looks like this is kind of like a cool math kind of place. Coolmath.com kind of place. Definitely not that. It still teaches, but this is not like. I might have to start with that. I was really hoping to find. What is this? This is a free code camp. I know we were working on free code camp, but it kind of hit like a point where it's like it wants me to actually start doing stuff, and I don't feel like I have enough information to like start doing anything. So I was trying to find. What is this one? Can't reach this page. Allie, what do you mean? I'm trying to figure out I'm trying to learn how to code, and I'm kind of doing it like on my own by just finding like a whole bunch of different free coding things to do. A lot of them are for kids, but there was this one coding thing I was doing right before I left. I could go check out my YouTube. And I really was enjoying it, but now I can't seem to find it. So, I'm glad you said something, cuz now I get to go and hopefully I popped in the link to like every time when I posted it on here, which I'm glad I actually was sharing it on here, because that would have sucks. Okay, this is the last coding practice. Oh no, that's like the last coding practice, which is not what we want. We want the one before that. Book club coding practice. Here's the one. Was it really free? Was it? Let me see. Maybe I had finished it. I didn't think I had finished it, but maybe I did. Oh no, maybe I didn't. Maybe it is free code camp. Where were we at then? Was this free code camp? I can't read that. Hold on, let me read what you guys are saying. Yeah, free code camp is online too, and you can do it whenever you want and at the speed that you like. I kept giving the right answers, but for some odd reason said I was wrong, so it wouldn't let me keep going on to the next lesson. Oh yeah, that's the thing with coding that I'm learning, is like you can technically have the right answer, but what like if you capitalize something that's not supposed to be capitalized, it's wrong. If you put the wrong parenthesis in the wrong spot, or you forget to place it, it's wrong. Like, that's the one thing about coding that's been really frustrating for me, is you need it to be a very specific way for it to function. A very, very specific way. And like this one that I enjoyed was like, you know, they had simplified it for me and all the answers were there. And so like I was like really getting into it. And like even still when I was like, no, I'm doing it right, like I couldn't figure out what was wrong. And you take the answer and you go to Google that you put and you're like, what am I doing wrong? And then like there's other people who are doing it wrong just like that too, and then like shows you like, oh, you're missing like this one comma, there should be a space here, that oh this is supposed to come before this, not after this. Like it's so fucking particular, and that's why I love it and I'm enjoying it right now. And it's definitely kind of like learning a new language, but I'm happy with it. Yay! Okay, I hope you have a good day as well. Me too, I'm excited. I do have one, yeah. We are all set, yeah. Oh, where does this one is? Yeah, it is free code camp. Okay, alright. It is free code camp. Alright. Oh, wow. Alright. Well, what we'll do then is I'm going to pop up the free code camp. But we're going to take a little gander at these other ones. Let me just see if I can find it to make sure that I have the one that I want. Because it tells you. Let's see. Oh, maybe that's why I have two of them pulled up here, because maybe that's one I was on. And then I was like, oh, there's like, because like in free code camp, there's multiple different courses you could take. So I'm guessing I was on a different course. Let me log in. I don't know what my password was. I think I logged in with Google. Thank you, Athena. I'll do my best to learn. Okay, emotional anime. Thank you for popping in, guys. I appreciate you. Weird. It says that it saved my stuff here. I'm under college algebra with Python. But like the next thing was like creating a graphing calculator. And though I have all the information how to do it, Let's see what this one does. I know you guys can't see anything I'm doing right now. I'm sorry. Here, hold on. Hi, Reemna. How are you? I'm almost done with today. The Death of the Unicorns? Ooh, that sounds good. But I haven't started any of these. Oh, that's cool. Okay. And this is for what? Certified Full Stack Developer Curriculum. I think this is what I wanted. I think I just started with the calculator because I thought it was going to be easy, but I think because I don't know a lot of information, so we'll probably start with this. I'm gonna save this page particularly. Okay. Yeah, because the next step in this is like building a whole calculator, and they technically taught me like how to do it all right here. But I don't know. I guess like I haven't even tried, but I don't really know how to put all that information together in one thing, you know? But this is like the free, thehourofcode.com. We can check out one of them, just see what's up. See, but I'm pretty sure these were a little... But see, this doesn't feel like... I think I played like a couple games. Don't know what that is. I want classroom technology and computers, Androids, iPhone. Let's do this. I think it's computer science. Minecraft hour of code. Ooh. What is that? Thank you, Raina. I appreciate that. I figured I'd be done around 11 here, and we got 15 minutes. I just like to try, like, I'm trying to stick to, like, making sure I'm doing my reading and coding every day for a little bit of time. And as it gets later in the day, it gets harder for me to do that. So I gotta do it right when I wake up. Eat breakfast, start learning. Okay, Minecraft Voyage Aquatic, Minecraft Hero's Journey, Minecraft Adventurer, Build and Explore Minecraft, use your creativity and add problems. Is this like Minecraft? Is it? Are they saying just play Minecraft and it's like coding? Because I don't think that's correct. But we're just gonna kind of check it out, see what's up. Let's see what this is.
Hello, you're just in time. Welcome to the Voyage Aquatic. I'm about to embark on a quest to find hidden underwater treasure, and I'm very glad to have your help. Who knows what we'll encounter along these mysterious waterways? We're meant to meet our first guide somewhere on this dock.
Welcome, adventurers, to complete the
Ooh, cool.
Here's how it works.
This sounds fun, actually. Then.
Three main paths. On the left, you'll see the Minecraft world.
Okay.
The middle area is your toolbox, where you can find coding commands.
Okay.
And on the large area on the right is your workspace. This is where you can stack commands to build your program and control your movements.
Okay.
The instructions for each level are at the top of the page. Click the plus sign to change between long and short instructions.
Okay.
Try dragging blocks from the toolbox into the workspace, stacking them, and then click the run button to execute your commands.
Okay.
You might have to try a few times to get it right, and some of the puzzles have more than one solution, so experiment
Yay.
and see what works. If you want to try again, click the reset button to go back where you started.
This is cute.
To delete a command, just drag the block from your workspace back into the toolbox.
I definitely think I already have some of the understanding of these, like creating your workspace and layering and stuff. But I do kind of want to play with it for a little bit just to see how it works. Steve or Alex? Let's go. I kind of want to go with Steve because I have a friend from college that we called Steve and then found out his name was not Steve. But my sister's name's Alexis, so Alex it is. You need supplies for your voyage. Ahead, collect a boat from the chest. Okay. Oh. Move forward again. How many times? Yay! Okay, now what? You just wrote 2 lines of code. Did I? I kind of clicked and moved, but yeah, sure. I'll go with that. I wrote 2 lines of code. I really want to find out where I left off I will find in over here in Free Code Camp because I really liked wherever I found whatever I was doing. Okay, move forward, turn right. What is that? 2 blocks? Yay! I didn't even look at what we were supposed to do. There's coding behind the coding that I'm doing. Oh. Okay, so move forward. Let's see. How much is... Okay, 1, 2... I'm guessing we're trying to get over the fish. Is that the fish? Grab the oars and pilot your boat across the open seas to catch the cod, which I'm guessing is that one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is one of the ones where I wish I could be like times 5 because that is what you're supposed to be able to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Yeah, I've definitely played enough games now where this is feeling extremely... Wait. Is that not the fish? Get the oars and pilot your boat across the open seas to catch a cod. I can't see anything else. I think actually this is right. Let's see. I don't know where we're going. I'm not really sure where we're supposed to be heading. Try it again. I'm back with a vengeance and the Dorito. Where am I supposed to be going? It said to catch the cod. No, but how do I get rid of other... Nice. Okay. Let's just... Can we just go across? It says catch cod, but how am I supposed to do that? Head across the open sea, catch the cod. Grab the oars and pilot your boat. No, seriously. Where am I? I don't understand. I went to the little bouncy thing. I thought that was the cod. It didn't do anything. If that's not it, then where's the fish? I'm pretty sure 5 was it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it says only 7. Where's the fish? Like, even, like, how is a child supposed to know what to do? Grab the oars and pilot your boat across the open sea to catch the cod. What cod? What cod? Where? Yeah. That was weird. Make a Flappy game. I have to assume these are all extremely similar. When it comes to the way that it's coding, and I definitely need something a little more advanced. I think that's also what I was feeling with this one. This is the dungeon. Oh wait. Oh, let me log in real quick. See if it changes. Maybe it did save what I had here. Because I think like you can only do so many within each dungeon. Yeah, and then you have to pay. There's a paywall. Okay, I played 5 out of these ones. And then you can't get into these ones at all because you have to move past this one. Yeah. yeah, I think that's why I stopped playing this one, was because once you got in here, you could only go so far before it like stopped you, which was sad, but it is the way it is. Okay, so I can't do this one. I mean, I could, but I don't want to. Let's see. Welcome. 4 stages. The lecture. I think this is just going to be like some introduction stuff here. Yeah.
I'm Quincy Larson, teacher and founder of FreeCodeCamp.org. Our charity's mission is to create free learning resources to help people learn math, programming, and computer science. And that's precisely what we've done for you here. This free verified certification includes thousands of hours of lectures, interactive.
Oh yeah, that's like one thing that I really like about this is you can actually. That's why one reason why I was using this specifically Free Code Camp is because once you finish a course, you can actually, that's like a real creditable like course, and you can put it like on your LinkedIn, you can put it on your resume as proof that you have like that education. And so really you just needed like some realistic use of it, so probably to actually get a job, right? Or maybe you could do something part-time.
Real coding. Everything's fully interactive. You'll immediately apply concepts as you learn them, and you'll get plenty of practice and spaced repetition along the way. Over the past decade, tens of thousands of people who've learned to code using FreeCodeCamp have gotten their first developer jobs. Many of these people don't even have
I hope to.
degree.
I hope to.
I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Learning to code is hard. You're going
Yeah.
to spend many nights and weekends sharpening your skills by building projects.
Yeah, I need to be more consistent.
All the way. You can get help anytime you get stuck. Just use the FreeCodeCamp forum or the FreeCodeCamp Discord, or you can use the search bar and search through thousands of reference articles created by the community.
Cool.
In the next lecture, I'll explain
That's what all that
the
was.
FreeCodeCamp curriculum and how the certifications work.
And then you just keep going down. That's what a lot of these were in the beginning that I was watching.
FreeCodeCamp offers free verified certifications. We've structured our curriculum to give you tons of practice with each tool and each concept to help prepare you for your certification exams. You'll watch short lectures and answer comprehension check questions about them. You'll code your way through step-by-step interactive workshops, and you'll build dozens of projects from scratch. Along the way, you'll pass dozens of quizzes and exams, and you'll prove to us and you'll prove to yourself that you've mastered these tools and concepts. Toward the end of the curriculum, you'll build your own unique capstone project, and we'll review that and give you feedback on it. This will be a project worthy of adding to your professional portfolio. After you've completed the curriculum, passed the final exam, and built your capstone project, you can claim your free verified certification. Your certification will have its own unique verification URL, unique serial number, and unique QR code. You can
Cool.
add your certification to your resume, LinkedIn, CV, and
See?
portfolio website.
Exactly.
At FreeCodeCamp, we take developer education seriously. There are no shortcuts. You'll spend thousands of hours completing the curriculum. Even if life gets in the way and you have to stop for a while, we'll be here, ready to help you push forward with your skills. You need to work hard, yes, but you also need to work smart. Before we dive into the curriculum, I'm going to share some insight into how most people learn effectively and how most people work smart.
Oh, is it all of them? I didn't realize it was all of them. I knew the QR code. I didn't hear him say unique URL.
Learning is a skill all its own, and I'm going to quickly introduce you to key discoveries that scientists have made about learning. These come from engineering professor Barbara Oakley's book, Learning How to Learn. Concept number 1, spaced repetition. Learning for half an hour each day for a week
Yeah.
is much more effective than learning for 3.5 hours all in one day.
Yeah.
This is because of
Which is
the
why I'm trying to get the repetition, 30 minutes to an hour a day.
Neural structures. With spaced repetition, you review concepts regularly, first every few days, then every few weeks, then every few months. Each time, your retention of those concepts improves. FreeCodeCamp has spaced repetition baked right into the curriculum. Concept number 2, interleaving practice. Rather than just studying one concept for an entire study session, it's better to get a little exposure to lots of concepts. This shakes up your brain and forces you to continually reframe what you know. Through interleaving practice, you train yourself to be more agile in your thinking. For this reason, the FreeCodeCamp curriculum covers a ton of ground quickly and then circles back to reinforce everything over and over. Concept number 3, active recall. It's easy to trick yourself into thinking you're much better at a skill than you actually are.
Yeah.
Almost all beginners experience
I do that with language a lot.
illusion of competence. But
Like on.
to shatter that illusion, actively recall and apply.
Mhm.
The FreeCodeCamp
That's
curriculum
something you gotta work on, is active
free
recall.
exercises and full-blown projects. Again, we've incorporated incorporated all of these concepts into the free code king curriculum. You're welcome to customize your learning as you see fit.
Yeah.
When in doubt, just keep going through the curriculum from top to bottom and you'll be fine. Let's end by talking about some strategies for building effective learning habits.
Okay. Let's check these out. But yeah, like with language, it's something where like I'll be like, oh yeah, I know that, and then like recalling is a lot harder than what I thought. You know, like if I go on to like my app, I can do it. But like if you're asking me to speak it, it doesn't come as nearly as easy. So. For the light, hi, how are you doing? To be honest, I have no idea how I would apply for a new job today. Honestly, you just do it. ChatGPT helps a lot with a lot of the things that I use. Using AI to help you restructure your portfolio and your resume for whatever job it is that you're looking for, because like within a lot of jobs you obtain a lot of skill sets that you can use for other jobs. You just have to know how to share them with that employer, and then a lot of it is just like honestly teaching on the job and reusing those skill sets there, you know. I was thinking about quitting last year, but now I'd rather stay at my company for now. Oh yeah, it's probably safer to do that. If you have a job right now, it's probably safer to stay with it. But there's no reason not to, like, if it's a job, like, let's say you're switching from medicine to coding or into tech or whatever. Free Code Camp, there's lots of online stuff you can do and learn for free. Books at the library, things you can learn and educate yourself for free, and then you'll obtain that knowledge. You need to use that knowledge somehow, of course, to keep it up, but like that's kind of like the whole point. Okay, it's 11, so I'm gonna actually pause here. We'll come back to the same page tomorrow, and I can't wait to see you guys. I'll be back with my